Hello. Okay. Roll number 3. Mostly Neha. Roll number 6, 11, 26, 27, 28, 31, 39, 52, 57, 18. स्टाफ लोग ये कुछ तो मैसेज ग्रुप में दिए, तो हम क्या ऐसा टाइम पास के लिए भेजते क्या? आप लोग क्यों रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं किए वो सेशन को? हाँ, नेहा अनम्यूट करा पहिला.
Yes, sir.
I have not registered for that session, project session. Okay, other batch students leave that one. Roll number 26, 27, 28, 31, 39. Payal, Kishori, Swapnali, Aditya, Chaitanya. Unmute first. Payal Salgare.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या मैडम, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है आपको? खुद आपका प्रोजेक्ट कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसा सेशन अटेंड करो मीन्स वो भी रजिस्टर नहीं करते आप. हाँ, even I have sent that message in the proctor group also personally. I don't know what you people should think about that. The same session one more time is there. You register for that. So the second unit, that is called harmonics, we have finished. I have given assignment questions for the second unit. Question दिए क्या assignment questions? Second unit. Hello.
No,
Anyone
sir.
reply? Otherwise, I will remove you all peoples who will not reply. Roll number 3. Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 6. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
11. Roll number 11. Poonam. Roll number 11.
Yes, sir.
12.
Yes, sir.
18.
Yes, sir.
26.
Yes, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
28.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलो. बोलो स्वप्नाली.
सर नहीं दिया असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन.
नहीं दिए. ठीक. Roll number 53. मुड़े. 360. Saurabh Mude, are you there? देखो ऐसा रहते हैं.
Hello.
Okay, take the assignment number 2. Explain harmonic sources from. Explain the harmonic sources from commercial loads. Commercial loads. Commercial loads. Explain the harmonic sources from commercial load of single phase power supplies. Single phase power supplies. Fluorescent lighting. Fluorescent lighting and adjustable speed drives. Adjustable speed drives. So this complete commercial load you have to explain here now. Okay. Second one. Explain the harmonic sources. Explain the harmonic sources. Harmonic sources from industrial loads. Industrial loads. From industrial loads. Industrial loads. So ये तीनों explain करना है. This three phase power converter, arcing devices and saturable. थोड़ा lengthy लिखो. That will help. Your exam will be offline. Once again, I am remembering you people that your exam will be offline. Okay. Explain the procedure, not procedure. Explain how to find harmonic source location. Explain how to find the harmonic sources location. Differentiate between. Fourth question. Differentiate between harmonics and transients. Differentiate between harmonics and transients. Explain power system response characteristics in detail. Explain power system characteristics in detail. In detail, you have to explain. कितना हुए questions? Explain power system response characteristics in detail. How many questions are over?
5.
5. Write the comparison between. Write the comparison between voltage and current distortion. Voltage and current distortion. Voltage and current distortion. Next question. List out the effects of harmonics. List out the effects of harmonics. Effects of harmonics हो गए. इसके बाद explain the harmonic indices. Explain the harmonic indices. And write the formula for. And write the formula or write the equation. Write the equation for THD and TDD. Write the equation for equation of THD and TDD. Describe harmonic distortion evaluations. Describe harmonic distortion evaluations. Harmonic distortion evaluations. Next one. List the devices used for. List the devices used for controlling harmonic distortion. List the devices used for controlling harmonic distortion. Harmonic distortion. List the devices used for controlling harmonic distortion and explain passive and active filters. And explain passive and active filters. Passive and active filters. कितना हो गए questions? 10 हो गए. Max questions will come on this one only. One more you take the last one, I think. Last question. Define resonance. Define resonance. Define resonance. And explain series and parallel resonance. Actually स्टारमर नहीं, ये उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है रेजोनेंस, बट आप लोग स्टडी करना है. This is the important thing is evaluation. What are the effects of harmonics? Okay, harmonic distortion evaluation कैसे करते हैं? How to control the harmonics? Distortion waveform, we can call that one voltage waveforms, and these indices are. These are the important things. Effects of harmonics. Okay, so these 11 questions plus 20 MCQ you have to write down. Or 10 MCQs. Okay, 10 MCQs. 10. This resonance वाला cancel करो. Resonance you cancel it. रहने दो. 10 MCQ कम किया ना, ठीक है. This 11 questions plus 10 MCQs you write down. Keep ready, all of you. I don't know assignment booklets they are going to give the assignment book or not. So you can contact your CC, class coordinator. Okay. So we'll start the third unit. We are going to start today actually, but the strength is very less. So the unit number 3, that is called power quality monitoring here. See, we have understood that what I mean by harmonics, what is harmonics, what are the effects of harmonics, okay, how to evaluate the harmonics, and what are the devices we can use for controlling the harmonics here. But now we have to concentrate on the power quality, what are the issues we have understood, how we have to monitor those power quality issues. Okay, so the power quality, how we have to monitor, that is the third unit, that is called, it is 5 hours syllabus is there. So power quality monitoring we are going to use. The main objective of this chapter, it should introduce you about the process of monitoring and measurements. So we have to, how we are going to do the measurements, with the measurement, so how we have to monitor that one. So that is the main object here now. So after completing this chapter, you peoples will be able to understand what you mean by power quality monitoring, and you will be able to get the knowledge of instruments. You will get which now instrument we are going to use for the monitoring and all the things here. So there are one objective is there to introduce students you about the process of monitoring and measurements. So what is the process of monitoring? What is the process of measurement? We are going to introduce by studying this subject. This is the main objective of the chapter. So outcomes after completing this unit, students, that is nothing but you papers, will be able to understand power quality monitoring. So once you completed this syllabus, means you will understand that what do you mean by power quality monitoring. And you peoples, you can students will be able to get knowledge of the instrument here. Now you'll get the knowledge of instrument here. This is actually the syllabus. It is hardly 4 hours syllabus is there, that is monitoring considerations. Okay, so what are the, to monitor the power quality issues, what are the considerations we have to do here, what we have to consider. Okay, next one, that is monitoring and diagnostic techniques. Once we have monitored the power quality issues, then how we have to diagnose that one, okay, for various power quality problems. So once we will consider the power quality issues first, these are the issues are there, we have to monitor this one here. So we have to diagnostic techniques, we have to, what are the, for the various problem, for this problem what are the diagnostic techniques, for the other problem, like that here. The power quality measurement or measuring equipments, that is the last one, which equipments we have to use to measure this issue. So particular issue we can identify that one here. So mainly these 3 contents are there, it will complete your chapter actually. Okay, will complete your chapter. So I don't know why the strength is very less. This is actually important chapter, all are the important questions. Can anyone tell me what is the reason only 17 members are there out of 66? Yes. Which session? So the unit content, that is monitoring considerations, monitoring and diagnostic techniques, and what are the power quality measuring equipments. We'll study from this chapter actually. Okay. So instead of studying these all the things, we'll do actually. So this is actually a very important thing. The students, if you miss it, for you 18 minus 66 we have done means 1866 minus 18 divided by 66. 70% students are absent. Which exam वगैरह है क्या उनका? कोई तो रिप्लाई दे दो. शांतनु शांतनु पाटिल. एग्जाम है क्या कुछ? इतना स्ट्रेंथ क्यों कम है? Only 17 students है मेरे को. सुबह को 11 सुबह क्लास को. Okay, so today also we'll discuss about some MCQ questions. We'll discuss in the second unit. Everyone, how many of you are there in the class? Two questions we will ask. Randomly, I will take the name. You have to give the answer for that. Is it okay? Is it okay? कोई भी रिप्लाई नहीं देते जब is it okay means. So you people have forgotten the first unit, I think. Okay. So this, I will take the name randomly, directly. This one. Okay, 8th question. Okay. What is the application of CBE EMA curve? Is it visible or not? नहीं है, visible नहीं है. Stop this one. Next Monday, any condition, the timetable will change. So based on that, all should have to present. Otherwise, I will start the third unit within 2-3 class. I will finish. Remember that one. The loss will be you for you people. Okay, roll number 6. Snehal, third way. इसका पहले आपसे पहले इनको पूछना है, रुको. रोल नंबर 36 गाड़िया नारायण. नारायण गाड़िए, आर यू देयर? गाड़िया नारायण, I will remove you from the meeting otherwise. Or you will join the meeting then. गाड़िए, roll number 6 Snehal.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this one? What is the application of CBEMA curve? That is, the option is sensitive equipment, computer equipment, electronic equipment, lightning equipment. Just for I will revisioning part. Yes, roll number 11. Poonam. Roll number 11. Poonam Homkar. Sonal.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer, madam?
Computer equipment.
What is the long form of CBEMA? Tell me first. Rule number 18. Rule number 26. Rule number 26. Rule number 26. File चल करे. रोल नंबर 12 है ना, गुस्सा हो रहा है मेरे को सर. 12 पूछे बिना पूछे अब डायरेक्ट आगे गए बोल के, है ना काले?
नहीं सर.
उसके लिए आप मैसेज कर रहे फिर सर. 6 होने के बाद 18 को कैसे गए सर, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं आप. ओके, द CBMA curve, that one is for computer equipments only. We are going to consider this one because the Computer and Business Equipment Manufacturing Association activities, that is actually part of that is ITI only. It is also part of ITI curve only. So, but it is applicable for computer equipment. Okay, so the next question will come, that is, what is the application of ITI curve? Sakshi, it is applicable for you now. Rule number 12. Roll number 12. Sakshi, are you there? Unmute
Yes,
first.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the option? There are four
C
options.
option. C option. Electronic equipment.
Very good. So in a computer equipments, that is computer business association is there actually. So they have developed one curve that is actually the later on we have considered that electronics equipment, that is ITI curve only we have. The first one is CB EMA curve only, that is also part of ITI curve only here. Okay. So this one, what do you mean by voltage sag? Anyone? Okay. 12th one, sources of sag interruptions. What are the sources? What is the source of sag interruptions? Fault, over voltage, quality, equipment. To whom I have to call? Boys side, only girls side, they are giving the answer. Rule number 53, Mule. Saurabh Mule. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the source of sag interruption? I don't want, didn't ask you about to explain. I have given 4 options, you have to tell any one. Huh?
Fault A option.
Option C, quality.
Option A. Fault.
Option message करा तुम्ही chat मध्ये type करा. वैभव मोंगसकर, roll number 54. मोंगसकर. Vaibhav. I have not yet taken the attendance, remember. Saurabh Mule has signed, that is option A, fault. Correct. Then because of the fault only the interruptions will occur, that will reduces the voltages. So that voltages is, that is if less than 0.9 to 0.1 per unit, that one we are going to call as the voltage sag, we are going to call that one. Okay. Next for the, we'll go for the next one. What is the causes due to the short circuit in the sag? This one. Increase in the RMS voltage, ये भी easy है. Okay. ये थोड़ा but options नीचे है शायद. 1.1 and 1.3. Okay. This one, swell is an increase in the RMS voltage or current between these 4 options are there: 1.1 and 1.8 per unit, 1.2 and 2.8, 1.3 and 2.2, 1.4 and 2.3.2. Then we have to roll number 52. Shantanu, Londe. Londe Shantanu. Roll number 52. Roll number 39. Chaitanya. ना कम हो गए, मैंने रिमूव नहीं किए फिर भी कम हो गए थोड़ा थोड़ा स्टूडेंट्स.
Yes, sir.
बोलो आंसर क्या है इधर इसका. Swell is an increase in the RMS voltage or current between the value that is 1.1 to 1.8,
sir.
1.2 to 2.8, 1.3 to 3, 1.4 to 3.2 per unit.
Option A.
Option A. Actually, how much voltage we have to maintain in the power quality? What is the exact voltage we have to maintain? टोंडे कितना वोल्टेज मेंटेन करना है हमको in the form of per unit? See, it is 1.182, sorry, 1.1 to 1.8. And for the swell, we'll consider, I will check that one. I will ask the question, that is 1.1 to 1.8, that is correct. Next, the voltage, where is that one? Same question is there. Not this one, not this one, not this one. For the sag, what is the voltage range? It's not there. I think question is not there. So that same one I will ask. Which number? What is the question number? That is this one only here. Sag is an decrease. Instead of swell, I will write this one as sag. I will write. Okay. Instead of swell, I will write the sag here now. This instead of increase, that is, I will write here, it is decrease in voltage, RMS voltage or current between. Option A is same, 1.1 to 1.8. Option 2 is 1.2 to 2.8. Option C, I will write as 0.9 to 0.1. Option D, that is 0.8 to 0.
Option C.
Option C. So see here, we have to maintain the voltage. They are telling if it is less than 0.9, then that one we are going to call as voltage sag. And if it is 1.1 per unit, more than 1.1 per unit, that one also, that is swell we are going to call. What is the condition left in between these two voltage range? In between these two voltage range, that sag and swell, the left condition, that is called 0.9 to 1.1. So 0.9 to 1.1. So the middle part, actually we have to maintain 1 per unit. Okay, the 1 per unit we have to maintain. But due to some variation in the load and some non-linear loads and all the things, some distortions will occur because of that one here. So voltage variation or current variation fluctuations will occur. So that fluctuation should vary, that is acceptable range is 0.9 to 1.1. We can accept that one. If it is 0.9 and less than 0.9, that voltage we are going to call as voltage sag, we are going to call it. If it is less than 0.9, that is called sag we are going to call. If that voltage is more than 1.1 per unit, that one we are going to call as swell, we are going to call it. Okay, just revisioning for you peoples. This part is revision part. Next one. The duration of voltage sag is less than 20 minutes, 1 minute, 20 seconds, 60 minutes. Kishori, you have not given any answers.
Option B, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute. That is called 60 seconds here. Okay. If it is more than 1 minute, then what will happen? What we are going to call that one? Yes. Sustainable. That is called sustainable voltage. We can call that one if it is more than 1 minute. On that condition, what we have to do, we have to go manually. The person has to visit and repair the particular part here. The duration of voltage sag, if it is the voltage is less than 0.9 for up to the 60 seconds, it is acceptable. If it is more than 60 seconds, then what will happen? It is going to interrupt the circuit, and we can consider that one. We can interrupt the circuit, and that is sustainable voltage. We are going to call that one. That is, we have to manually, the person has to visit and has to do the repair that one. And increase, sorry, it may be current or voltage, and increase to between 1.1 and 1.8 per unit. Okay, per unit in RMS voltage or current. That is called sag, swell, interruptions, short circuit. Sakshi Kale. Roll number 12.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Suppose if the
A.
आंसर भी दिख रहे इधर, उसके लिए ये बोले क्या आपको मालूम है? मालूम क्या था? मालूम था क्या? आंसर देख के बोले आप?
आंसर देख के बोला था सर.
क्यों? Just now I have explained. Okay, this one you tell me. Sustained interruptions last longer than 20 minutes, 1 minute, 20 seconds, 60 minutes. The sustained interruptions just now for not 1 minute also. Before that one only I have explained this part. Sonal. Sonal.
Yes, sir.
Answer, madam.
1 minute.
1 minute. Just now I have told that is okay. A voltage shock is a short duration, 0.5 to 30 cycles, 5 to 30 cycles, 0.1 to 50 cycles, 5 to 60 cycles. Which is the correct answer? Roll number 18 only. Sonal.
0.5 to 30 cycles.
Huh? 0.5 to 30 cycles or 5 to 30 cycles?
0.5.
Very good. 0.5 to 30 cycles. Question easy हो गई क्या? Okay. What is that? Momentary interruptions not more than 30 cycles, 2 3 seconds, 4 to 5 seconds, 1 to 5 seconds, 2 to 5 seconds. Sakshi Kale, now you tell the answer. आंसर तो नहीं दिख रहे अभी इधर. आंसर दिख रहे क्या? नहीं है. रोल नंबर 6 स्नेहल दड़वे.
A, sir.
What is the answer, madam?
A.
A. See, short duration, momentary and long durations are there actually, and above that, that is up to 1 minute only we are going to consider. If it is more than 1 minute, then that interruption we are going to consider as sustainable interruptions we are going to form here over there. Okay, so in voltage sag brake requires to operate. This one is also only 0.5 to 30 seconds. Okay, you practice this MCQ questions. See, I have given you people's the not unit wise, actually mixed one I have given. While writing the assignments, all of you select the questions that should related to that particular chapters. Okay, the second unit completely related to the harmonics. First unit is the basic is that in that one voltage sag, what do you mean by interruptions, inter interruptions, transients means what, definitions will come over there more. So based on that definitions you practice over there. Okay, so that is the way. Inform your friends next class, don't miss. I will not wait, I will directly start the third unit. I will start that one. Right? Okay, we'll stop here only. We'll continue in the next. Rule number 53 absented अला मैंने मुड़े को कब ज्वाइन हो गए मुड़े